Are you tired of paying designer prices for accent walls that you could have totally painted yourself? Well, I'll show you how to turn your design budget dreams into reality without wasting a dime or even hiring a contractor. You spend enough time watching them charge you a premium for things you know you could have painted yourself. You got the eye for design, you got the budget, and the patience to do it right. All you need now is the right techniques and someone to teach you. I'm Toby Renee, decorative artist and creative mentor. I've been teaching creative entrepreneurs for over 20 years how to master the art of faux finishing. Now it's time for me to teach you. So if you are a homeowner, a DIYer, design lover, I can teach you how to create high-end wall techniques like Venetian plaster without even paying designer prices. Now I am hosting a free live class for all my creative people, and I'll show you how to turn your design budget into real value, learning wall techniques that look custom painted, but were done by you. I'm going to teach you what materials to use and how to bring warmth and depth into your walls for a fraction of what an expert would charge. So here's what you're going to learn inside: the markup map. Now the markup map is the contractor's cheat code. So I'm going to show you why it costs so much, and then I'm going to show you how to get the same look for a fraction of the price. You'll learn which products professionals are actually using and which ones aren't even worth your money or time. I'm going to teach you the right way how to do lime wash, because I know yours probably fell a little flat. So I'm going to also show you how to save thousands of dollars while still achieving techniques that feel like it came straight out of a design magazine. You're going to learn my secrets to creating high-end custom art for your home that you can be proud of. Now, this isn't about cutting corners. It's about taking ownership of your space. You've invested in this home. Now it's time to create in it. So don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your creativity into currency. Let me show you how to transform your walls and your confidence one layer at a time. Okay, so now all you need to do is click the link below to register, and I'll see you on the inside.